In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Google Calendar connected to HubSpot, so meetings, invites, and availability stay perfectly in sync. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your HubSpot account with permission to install apps, and you have the Google account you want to connect ready to go. First, open HubSpot and land on your home dashboard. This is the main hub where you can access everything you need. Give the page a moment to load, so the top navigation is fully visible. Next, look to the top of the screen for the marketplace icon. Depending on your layout, it may look like a small storefront or a grid of squares. Click that icon to open the app options. From the menu that appears, choose the HubSpot Marketplace. This is where all official apps and integrations live, including the Google Calendar connector we want. Once the marketplace opens, use the search bar at the top and type Google Calendar. You'll see a few results appear. Click the listing labeled Google Calendar to open the app's detail page. Here, take a quick moment to review the description, what the app does, and the permissions it needs. This page will also show you compatibility notes and support information, which is helpful if you're managing multiple calendars or user seats. Now, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through a short authorization flow. You'll be prompted to confirm the HubSpot account where the integration will be installed, and then you'll be redirected to sign in with your Google account. Select the Google account that holds the calendar you want to sync, review the requested access, and click Allow to continue. If you manage multiple calendars, you may be asked which calendars to make available. Choose the ones that fit your workflow. Keep an eye out for any browser pop-up blockers. If something doesn't appear, allow pop-ups for HubSpot and try again. After installation completes, HubSpot will confirm the connection. Give it a minute for the initial handshake to finish. From here, new meetings booked through HubSpot's scheduling tools will push to your Google Calendar, and updates on either side will stay aligned. If you're collaborating with a team, repeat the install for each user, or have them connect their own calendars so personal availability is accurate. Quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure your time zone is correct in both Google and HubSpot. Avoid duplicate calendars with the same name, and refresh your browser if changes don't show right away. That's it. You've connected Google Calendar with HubSpot the easy way. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.